Okay, we are in Rotterdam, Holland. Just arrived from Belgium. We had our lunch and we'll take a few shots from some of the popular spots and then we'll start driving toward Amsterdam. So stay with us. We can bring you something from Rotterdam. This is a famous street in Rotterdam for food. Most of the restaurants are here. You can find any kind of restaurant you want. Okay, we are here in Rotterdam, Holland. We just arrived here and I wanted to share this bridge with you, which is a very popular bridge in Rotterdam. Holland is also called the Netherlands. I'm sure you know it. This bridge has only one pillar, if you can see. One pillar on the side, and there's no other pillar on it, and it's hanging by the wires. It's extreme engineering work. That's why everybody come in here to take a picture with this, because a bridge with one pillar only is kind of unheard of. So I wanted to share with you. Here is the view from the bridge. There we go. Oh, there's a tram going on it too, right there. Huh?
Do you have a station?